Hello everybody, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to see how to make an macro lens at home. The first thing you need is an old binocular. In the binocular we need convex lens or the bigger lens. Then take the lens opposite to each other. Then seal it. Then take the lens to your primary camera. Then open camera application. Then you see only blurred image until you became close to the object up to 2 centimeters. Then the photos must be like these until you know about composition and angles. If you didn't know about composition and angles, please see my previous video. I give card to the video right here.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.